arrived! Derby! Okay, 3 minutes to get ready!
Okay, Ben, you snipe from here?
No, we're going in your backyard.
No.
Yeah. We're going in the backyard.
We're not allowed in the backyard.
Well, how are we supposed to do this? We're going to snipe in the open around here. Liam, that makes no sense.
Well, you have to snipe from here.
They'll shoot me. Can't we just go back into the fort?
Fine.
Yes.
Stay close. You jump on it.
Then they won't know where we are.
Exactly, that's good. Wait, say go. Say go.
Okay, I'll scream it out then.
Go!
Not yet. It's 3 minutes. That was like 30 seconds.
Shit, you don't want to wait 3 minutes. Go!
I'm farting.
Go!
Start! Come on.
Guys, go!
Come here.
They're coming.
You guard, you stay here and guard it. No, come here. Stand up, get up here. And I'll snipe. Oh, this is really seeping in. The mini Nerf gun's still up there. It's still on the roof.
Are they coming?
I don't see anyone. I can't see anyone because this giant thing is in
Ben,
the...
I can see people.
I can...
Okay, they're probably waiting for us to come.
No, I'm not coming. They're coming here. I don't see anybody. I know, so do I. Okay, pee in the water there, because the stream's already going that way. So it doesn't matter, it's going to a sewer anyways.
I'll wait after the game.
Be careful. Alright, you have the car here. Switch.
No.
Switch that. They're not coming. I don't see them anywhere. Was that real?
No. It was all my mom.
You sure?
My mom's yelling at me.
Okay. Come with me. Go forward, go down. Come here. We're going down, man.
Oh, what?
Yeah, come on, let's go.
We're probably waiting at the door. Ben, I think they're smart.
You go first, because you have the shield. Oh, you have the shield. I've got semi-automatic, so back up to going no matter, so don't do it.
They're coming.
Alright, just hide against this. I'll go check you out. Oh.
Yes?
Where are you?
Right here.
I'll go check the other side, okay? Liam! Come here. Just come here. I found a hockey ball. A hockey ball right there that we can use. Come on. Stay quiet. You go first. Just because you have the shield. Put your gun up. Get ready to fire. Look through the shield. Just to stay. Okay. Hide it there. Hide against the wall. Stay here. Hide. I see them. There! You get my tail! Not Jordan! Hide! Liam, come here! Liam! Come here! Get him! Run! Switch parts.
I can't.
Watch it. Switch parts. Hurry.
I can't.
Try.
I don't know how to freaking do this. Atama. We are.
No, Atama. Don't let the thing fall off.
T'as pas le droit d'aller à ma maison. T'as pas le droit d'aller à ma maison, Matt.
Don't make a difference, man. No, we're not going back. No! Do it! Too late.
That didn't do anything.
I know, he didn't. It's fine. Come on.
How do you do this?
Same thing. Same way. It's the same thing. No, like this. Push it. Okay, do this. Oh my god, Liam. Oh. Now turn this part. Turn this part. Oh my god, Liam, give me. You actually don't want to do this.
I know.
Hold the gun. We're not switching anymore. That's too hard to do. What? He's old, that's all. Alright, come on, let's go. You go find a good place. I'll make sure to do it if they don't come.
I'll go. I'll just.
No, don't Liam. Liam! Come back.
They're gone.
Okay, let's go then. Where?
Right there on that.
Okay, come here. Go back.
I'm waiting for us to try.
No, we're gonna wait for them. Go back, go find a good place. And when you have to replace them.
Oh, you need to come.
Well, I'm gonna make sure that they don't come. It's part of the game. Just go. Just go. They don't know I'm here. They don't. It's not. Just go find a good place. It's part of the game. Go find a good place that they won't be able to get us at. They're coming. Get ready, Liam. Hide. I see him. Okay, hide behind the car. Hide behind the car so they don't see you. Hide behind the car so they don't see you. Just hide behind the car. Why not? They won't come, Liam, if they see us. Can they see you? I see my dad and my papa. Hide, because we want them to think that we're in the back. Okay, run to the back. Are they coming? I know, just stay down. Stay down. Get ready for war. Hide. Stay hidden until I ask for you to come. Scope. Stay back. Get off our property. Liam, don't let them take our ground. Liam, run to the back! Run to the back that way!
No, Ben, we can't go in the back.
Come on! Liam! Come on, Liam! What are you doing? Come on, Liam. Liam! Is Jordan there? Oh, Jordan, watch it.
Okay, so no playing in the backyard?
Okay, no problem. Liam, come here. Better if we fight together. Yeah, so then you run. What? Why? It's not fun.
It doesn't work, so...
Okay, it's not working. End of Nerf 4. This